Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create user profiles on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to navigate to the profile icon on our home screen, then scroll down and select Add Profile. Then we're gonna have to create a new profile by selecting the respective option on the screen. Now in the first field, we're gonna have to enter the name for our profile. So let's name it Pro, and then click Next. And then we can also change the profile icon by selecting profile icon option and selecting one of the available ones. Click Add, and this way you add a new profile. Now if you click on it, you'll switch to this profile's home screen. And if you want to remove this profile from your TV, you're going to have to navigate back to it, then tap the pencil icon beneath it, and then select Remove. Confirm and wait until the profile is removed. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.